You're all flowers.
Welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I am in Black River in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, I'm standing right at the Black River Safari. But anyway, still, it's not all about the safari today. I'm taking you all to a flowers show on Easter Monday at Independence Park. Yeah man, Independence Park. 1st of April, I always keep on flowers show. People from all about them a showcase them flowers. So you don't know me till I say a Black River there still. So meanwhile, before I go to the flowers show, I have to make a few stops before I reach the flowers show, you know. So I still can take a view of beautiful Black River, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, so keep on watching. In Black River, you know say I walk on the bridge, I cross the bridge. Many times we always drive over this bridge, but a lot of people don't get a chance to walk on this bridge, you know. So I walk it this morning before I go to the flower show. So keep in tune, keep tuned to the channel the same way, and let's take a quick view of Black River. Yeah man, so I just reached at the flower show entrance. So I walk over the flower show and see what I go on there now. So you can big up on yourself, and thanks for tuning into the video. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.
Yes. That's fine.
So yes people, so it's $800 for a person to enter this show. I don't know how much for kids, but $800 for adults. So yeah man, it's very reasonable. You're gonna see a lot of different types of things. So let's go and keep on into the video. Manners.
Strawberries and strawberry plants, right? Strawberries and strawberry plants. I'm sitting down fine.
So nice.
Strawberry, right? Strawberry.
You want me to excuse yourself?
Yeah man, can I get you on the steering? Or yourself? So remember to leave in the comment section, tell me what you think about this flower show, and also remember to like up the video, free of cost. Yeah man, free of cost. Remember now, anywhere you watch from us, like up the video and also share and subscribe.
What do you want?
But I don't paint because they want the color and everything, you know, so they order and then I paint. I don't put paint, I just show them the colors. Becky look fed up already. She don't love flowers.
Just wish he'd just keep moving a little bit quicker.
And did you see the things? Them? They are like a slides. And did you know?
Alright, nice meeting you. The first I'm seeing you. I'm in a 5 and 4 on the veranda.
Stop one time, but now we're so they just let me know. Okay, you too. I tell you. No, everybody. How are you? It's my baby.
Just shave them up, right?
This is the one that's here. Did you see? Oh, sorry. Look at you. You're not paying me anything. You have to share a chair.
Oh, we gotta share it. Wait a second. No, we can't. Let me get it more.
I want to put the money.
You're going.
I want to the money. I want to drain you now.
One of them.
I saw you see.
Look here.
Fire Reid.
Manners and respect, you know. In that place here, you know. Alright, cool, alright.
My first year.
Alright. Alright, thanks a lot, you know. Alright, cool.
On this one?
That's the new root stock we are using. That's the new root stock that we are using. Clear bottle. That's it. It's no harm any diseases.
I don't buy iron.
Desert tubes. More desert tubes.
Yeah, man, it's like a two footage, you know?
Okay.
Real Jamaican style, you know?
Yeah.
Barbara, the protein.
told me that I'm not even taking picture. Why am I here? I have my phone.
Mothers are respect, man. They are showcase place, you know?
You better go send.
Yeah, what? Everywhere I send to, man. Everywhere. Yeah, man, because you know most of the videos them St.Elizabeth side. Yeah, but you know I'm go out now and then. Yeah, man. So enjoy the day, you know? Yeah, man, Fire Reid, you know?
Yeah, man.
But that's our respect, boss. Alright. Good day.